back to my kitchen. If you are new here, welcome. Mason O. Jonathan here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I cook all-purpose eggplant sauce. If you are interested, let's get cooking. Before we start, please do subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like and share. These are the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. You can see the eggplant, red onions, sweet onions, tilapia fish, blended tomatoes, palm oil, and non-cube. We are going to be using this eggplant sauce for yam and unripe plantain with beans. I'm not going to be showing how I cook the beans. The beans will come at the end of the video. I parboiled the eggplant for like 5 minutes and I'm going to leave it to cook in the sauce. So guys, the eggplant sauce is ready. Served with unripe plantain and yam. All-purpose eggplants can also be served extra for just yam, plantain, or any other food. This very one will be used for just plantain and the yam. So I'm adding additional palm oil to give it that native taste. I mean like grandmom taste. I would like to know in the comment section how you cook your eggplant and what you use your eggplant for. Also feel free to ask any question in the comment section below. So guys, this video is coming to an end, and in case you watched it this time, I would like to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.